What's going on, family? If you're watching this, chances are you've been dealing with something that's been getting on your nerves. Maybe a bad habit, a situation you feel stuck in, or a challenge that's been weighing you down for way too long. I've been there. I know what it's like to feel trapped in a cycle, wondering if you'll ever break free. But here's the deal. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I overcame my biggest life challenge, and more importantly, how you can do the same. By the end of this video, you're going to have a real strategy, a step-by-step game plan to take control, make a change, and start moving towards the life you actually want. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just real steps to help me break free and level up. Let's get into it. Step 1, admit there's a problem. First things first, you can't fix what you won't face. No cap, I spent years lying to myself, saying it's not bad or I can quit anytime, but deep down, I knew the truth. So let's keep it real. Ask yourself, is this habit, situation, or mindset making my life better or worse? If it's holding you back in any way, whether it's draining your time, your energy, or your potential, then it's a problem. And admitting that's step 1. This ain't about beating yourself up. It's about taking your power back, because once you acknowledge the problem, you can start working on the solution. Step 2, find your why. If you don't have a strong why, you're going to fold the moment things get tough, y'all. Your why is your anchor. It's what keeps you going when you want to quit. For me, my why hit different. I realized I was wasting my potential. I looked around and saw how much more I could be doing with my life, and I got tired of making excuses. So what's your why? Maybe it's your health, your family, your future. Maybe you're just tired of living the same story on repeat. Whatever it is, lock in on it. Write it down and keep it in front of you. Because when the struggle gets real, that why is what's going to keep you pushing. Step 3, make a game plan. A goal without a plan is just a wish. You need a strategy. Here's how to break it down. 1, set a start date. Don't say someday. Pick a real day and commit to it. 2, identify your roadblocks. What's going to make this hard? Cravings, stress, peer pressure? Write them down. 3, have a backup plan. When temptation hits, what's your move? Instead of falling back, what are you going to do instead? Planning ahead makes the difference between wishful thinking and real change. Step 4, cut the excuses. Keep it real. Excuses will kill your progress. I'm too busy. It's not the right time. I'll start next week. Nah. Here's a mindset shift. Stop saying I can't and start saying I'm choosing not to, because that's the truth. Every time you delay change, you're choosing to stay stuck. And that's not what you want, right? So from this point on, no more excuses. You got this. Step 5, replace the habit. You can't just quit something. You have to replace it. Otherwise, that empty space is going to pull you right back in. For me, I replaced my old habits with working out, journaling, and staying locked in on my goals. Find what works for you, something that builds you up instead of breaking you down. Step 6, lean on support. Dead ass, having people in your corner makes all the difference. Whether it's friends, family, or an online community, you need a support system. Tell somebody you trust about your journey. Let them hold you accountable. And if you don't have people around you who support your growth, find new ones. Your environment matters. Step 7, embrace the struggle. This ain't going to be easy. There will always be days when you want to quit, when you feel like you're not making progress. But let me tell you something. Growth comes with struggle. Every time you push through, you're getting stronger. Every time you don't fall back, you're proving to yourself that you're built different. And that's what this journey is about. Becoming the best version of you, right? Step 8, celebrate the wins. Every step is a win. Don't wait until you made it to celebrate. If you made it through one tough day, that's a victory. If you chose to break the cycle instead of repeating it, that's a win. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small, because small wins stack up into big changes. Trust me. Step 9, stay consistent. Consistency is the key. You won't see overnight results, but if you stay with it, the progress will come. One day at a time, one decision at a time. That's how you win. You got this. Overcoming my biggest challenge didn't change my life. It saved it. And if I can do it, so can you. You already have what it takes. You just have to take that first step. If this message hit home for you, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Because no cap, you're way stronger than you think. Let's get it.